guys, so this is a finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. You guys know that I love you guys. Hey yo, what's up? Oh, I'm starting to clap again. I don't know, man. I don't even know. Like, it's been so long. I just feel like every time I record, like, it's always just been so long. Like, how many times is it gonna be so long? Yeah, I just feel like I never really record on a regular schedule now. Now it's just left up to when I feel like it, and that's not fair to y'all. The ones who are always down to watch my videos, it's not fair to y'all. So I had this whole thing on Instagram where I was feeling some type of way because I'm like, yo, first off, I look crazy, but I just feel like my views should be more. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna let God do his work, and I'm gonna let him work on me, and I'm gonna let him give me my time when it's my time. Right now, it's not my time. So right now, this is where I'm at with it. If you gonna watch my videos, like, support, comment, you know, do what y'all want. Because at this point, I'm tired of waiting on people to realize this potential right here. And I'm not gonna do no hop, skips, or jumps to attain nothing that I'm not supposed to have. But what I do have is the talent, and I do have the hard work and dedication in order to take me to where I need to go. So if I'm gonna blow up on YouTube, I'm gonna blow up on YouTube, and if I'm not, I'm not. Cool, we gonna start the video. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be following, wait, let me make sure I say her name right. Her name is naezrah. Not her real name is Amanda, but she got a little alias going on. naezrah Nikole. I feel real dumb saying this. She is on Instagram. She's popping. I'm gonna follow one of her tutorials, and I'm gonna see if that joint come out like how she do it, because I really like her makeup, and that's like my whole thing. So I'm done talking. It's over. They out there popping off the fireworks like it's July. It's Father's Day. Alright, so this is going to become a talk through because I'm honestly really feeling the talk through vibe. Like, are y'all feeling it? I'm feeling everything. I'm feeling all of it. Alright, so in the video, she's using porcelain, which is dumb light. But the lightest concealer that I have is warm beige, and we gonna kill it with that. Alright, she going real fast, and I'm not even ready.
follow her tutorial for the most part, but it was honestly kind of hard. I think going forward in the future, I am going to start to change like how I do, especially how I do other people's makeup, because the way you do your makeup is not exactly the way you can do everybody else's makeup, and I'm noticing that. But I'm also noticing that maybe I should change the way I do some of my makeup, because that might be the reason why stuff don't be turning out right. But you know what? You know what all of this is? Trial and also error, okay? I'm not that bomb as naezrah. She got that joint down packed. Or should I do a wing? I don't know. What?
Like a chicken wing?
No, not like a chicken. Not like a chicken wing.
Right.
It's hard when you like super critical of everything you do. Everything looks bad. Everything. But you know what? I'm gonna stay steadfast to the end of it, because I know that this is what y'all want to see. I tried very hard. So maybe I should get an A for effort. I'm really, honestly, maybe I should change my YouTube name to Clown, because that's honestly the role that I've stepped into. I'm gonna leave the white line because I like the white line, but it looked bad. Close up, it looks horrible. I would never want nobody to get too close, because this is an embarrassment. Because I'm honestly over the whole thing. So I'm going to take this baby right here. Okay. Wow, we're actually getting somewhere cool. So then I'm going to put this right here. Ooh. My eye actually itches right there. Wait, it's about to look like I got a black eye. Oh my god, I'm really a joke. It's getting critical. Right, clean them up. Trying. Well, the lashes did a lot. Saved me. That's the best thing I felt all day. Woo! Let me tell y'all something. Y'all can't never say the eyeliner did nothing for you. Wait, because what I didn't do was put my highlight on. So give me a second. When I'm a baby. Ooh. When he said that, I really felt it. Oh, I'm cracking. Brand new, got no keys. As soon as you gon' leave. Got into the baby, yes, indeed. I'm really trying to cake this on because I want y'all to see. I don't want y'all to just be like, yeah, she put it on. Like, I want y'all to actually see it. So, this joint gonna be lit. I'm just saying. It's gonna be lit like a lamp. I'll lick you like a stamp. Beat this cookie up. Something. Yeah. I don't know the word. It look like I'm giving y'all the finger, and I'm really not. I should be giving it to myself. But it's okay because I think I came out on top. And I think that what I've given y'all today is actually acceptable to a certain extent. I mean, could have been better. Always could have been better. But I think I'm gonna rock like this today. Alright, so like I was trying to say before, y'all can't never say that I ain't never do nothing for y'all. I ain't never recorded no good content for y'all. Cause I honestly struggled through this whole entire video. The first thing that went wrong was before I even started recording. My eyebrows were terrible. And the whole thing is, I'm not even going nowhere. I'm not even rushing. So why do they look big? Please tell me, Gianna. I don't know. I don't think this is gonna work. And wow, like, how come this took so long? If I literally started at 8:30 and it's now 11:30, why is it that long? I don't know. But I really need to do better with time. Like, cause it should not take this long. And I sound disappointed in myself because I am. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me 10,000 likes because I just really slaved to get here. And I really hope you guys enjoyed me. I hope it wasn't too negative because I honestly feel like I was being really negative. Like, everything was going wrong and I just wanted y'all to know that everything was going wrong. Like, nothing is perfect. I don't be having no perfect days where I be trying to film. Something be going wrong every time. It's just sometimes everything decides to go wrong. And today was one of those days. But you know what? I came out on top. I blended well. It looks good from far away. Check, check. Check marks the spot. I mean, X marks the spot. Like, I'm here. And I hope y'all can see me because that's the whole thing. So please give me a like and please subscribe to me. You know, G the beat, like, got M's in the bank, like G the beat. If you guys enjoyed this video, please just like I said, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. People have been saying that they like my personality. I honestly just don't understand how I get good looks out of what I do because I'm honestly messing up everything as I go along. But it's cool because everybody gotta start somewhere. Not everything gonna be perfect when you first start out, boo. But yeah, I'm about to hit the slow-mo and it's like little, you know, look around for y'all, and I'm about to be out of here. So I will see y'all in my next video. Bye. See you guys later.
Niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody said. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I nut, you go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed.
I don't know if I ever felt like this before, but I'm sure that the way I feel, I don't want it to go. Cause I grind my shaft here, and I sing my shampoo, but to keep you right here, I do what I got to do. So baby, move on me. What I did all night, I never leave. You got to be alone, come anywhere you want. Baby, just pick up the phone and call me. But you know, see there you go, see there you go.